Welcome once again to my video on perimeter of plane shapes. Today we shall be discussing using formulae to calculate perimeter. Now we shall be talking about using formulae to calculate perimeter of a rectangle. We have a rectangle of length and breadth or width. Please don't forget, in some textbook you will see breadth, and in some textbook you are going to be seeing width. Either of these is okay, either breadth or width. We have a rectangle of length and breadth. Instead of us to be using AB, BC, CD, and DA, there is a formula to calculate the length, the perimeter of a rectangle. Like in the previous video, when we were to calculate the perimeter of this rectangle, what we did was to get AB. When we were to calculate the perimeter, what we did was to get AB plus AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. But the formula is a little bit easier and simpler. It's straightforward. Now we shall try to bring out the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle. Now this is the rectangle above. This is the rectangle above. Like it said here, we shall be representing the length with L. This length we shall represent with LCM. The breadth or the width with BCM or WCM. Anyone is correct. And don't forget, like I said, this side and this side are equal. So here is also LCM and here is LCM. Now, to get we still have A, B, C, D. And we know that perimeter P is equals to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. In our previous video, to calculate the perimeter of a rectangle, we have AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. And now we know that AB is LCM and BC is WCM or BCM, as the case may be, and CD is LCM. DA is LCM. DA is BCM. Sorry, please. DA is B or WCM. DA is WCM. Again, AB is LCM, BC is WCM, CD is LCM, and DA is WCM. Now we collect like terms, that is the same letters. We have LCM plus LCM plus WCM plus WCM. Nothing has changed. We only brought this together and these two together. So we have 2 LCM plus 2 WCM. That is LCM plus LCM. We have 2 LCM and 2 WCM. As we can see that 2 is common. 2 is what? Common. So we bring out the 2. 2 is common. We bring out the 2 and put a bracket. We have removed this 2, which is this. We have LCM. Plus, we have removed this 2. We have WCM. We can also see again that CM is common. So we have 2L plus WCM because we have brought out the CM. Please, you did this second term, as the case may be in some schools, or first term, as the case may be. You can go back and try as much as possible to revise it. We didn't do any magic here. What we did was that here we tried to bring out the same thing like terms, LCM, LCM. We brought this together and brought these two together. We have 2 LCM and we have 2 WCM. We can see that 2 is common. We bring out the 2. We have LCM, we have WCM. Again, we have seen that CM is common. We brought out the CM. We have this L here, we have this W here, and we have it here. Now, this is the formula for calculating perimeter. This is the formula for calculating perimeter. This is the formula for calculating perimeter. Perimeter of a rectangle is calculated using the formula P is equals to 2L plus W. 2 into 2L plus W. Please note, we are having CM here. We had CM here because we were given LCM. But if we are given L meter, this LCM means L centimeter. If we're giving L meter, W meter, and L meter, what we are going to be having as perimeter is 2. It's going to be 2L plus W meter. 2L plus W meter. 2L plus W meter. This unit here changes depending on what you have been given. Don't forget, this cm can be meter. When we are given meter, it can be millimeter, it can be kilometer. Don't forget to set that perimeter measured in length units, and they are kilometers, millimeters, centimeters, and meters. So if we are given cm, we have centimeters here. If we are given meters, we have meters. Thank you very much. Once again, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you so much.